you have to think that it is only your future. ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ. You are our future. You are the future of our nation. ತಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get good for the country. ಈಗ ತಾವು ನೋಡಿ, ಜಗತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದಾವೆ, ಬಿಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಪೆಪ್ಸಿಕೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, IMF ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, IT ಕಂಪನಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ CEOs mostly are Indians. And they have reached there by their hard work, by their perseverance. Now, I would advise you all, be disciplined, work hard, and the future is yours. One more thing Dr. Prabhakar Sahib to do. He is the person who brought education to Belgaum city to a level that was unprecedented. How much? He brought KLE to not only to the national map but to the international map. One person's hard work, one person thinking of the future, one person dedicating his life for education. From Prabhakar Sahib, you can see what changes he has made. LKG in the super specialty, PhD, everything is there in that institute. But Belgaum is Bangalore is and the ದೇಶದ ಅನ್ಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ KLE society ಇದೆ, but abroad also ಇದೆ. You go to Malaysia, you go to Dubai, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. So one man who has got thoughts for education can make this difference. There are so many replicas after that, but our ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. And our